Good morning, team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. So, as you can see, today's vlog not really look so construction-wise. We are at the beach today, and maybe see if we can just do a chill vlog today. As no work is being done today, it's all play. So, this is a jet ski out here, so and kind of like jet ski for the last time. I don't know if you guys watched the vlog where I went to Bahamas. We had a rock out on the jet ski and it was quite fun, but this camera is not waterproof, therefore it was very difficult to be riding the jet ski and also filming. So, but now Janelle and I are just chilling.
Hi.
And just catching a vibe, you know. So guys, me and Janelle think about riding the jet ski. She actually got ask them and know how much she ride on the jet ski, and then we should roll out. But I think of some challenge to do for the vlog here. Nothing that come to mind as it, but we're gonna try to do it something. I'm gonna probably see tonight title or some shit like that. If you don't work out, it just not work out. Go and change. Oh, my first beach I come and no one left to swim. Like a legit just beach. Beach nice and pretty and clean, but I just beach, bro. You want boat out in that era where them propose to, so that lamb. But boy, chill still I get my what they call it, cabana with it. Yes sir. Still I think of a challenge, guys. Or should I do a prank, bro? Just a prank, bro. This is what I'm saying, guys. It's a very nice beach, but we also need to swim. There are the jet skis. I don't want those little children anymore. Hey, look who is what? Son. We're only 2% of fiber in me. Right now, feel for the jet ski. But just feel the grip on it just because it did it. Yes sir. Oh, I'm thinking about this shit. Hey, I'm there.
Top part of my
apply Ruby tea and Ruby tea. Yes sir. Yes sir. I think you're supposed to rub your skin up at certain points. Rub the tea and rub the tea. Feel it? Feel it?
Yes.
Man, we just get mad and just start doing a massage and a whole body massage.
I don't mind.
Not today, I'm sorry. Put it on what I'm saying. Yes sir, funny work. You want them? Nope. You want them? Right now, I'm saying. Nah. This fit better. Oh yeah, the time when we got sand at that good one?
No, it was a big hole.
Oh.
Went away.
It is now.
At the reef to make us to the reef, and it carries back in, and then they went back past the reef to make people die.
Show tits, show tits, show tits. Why you want a car when two persons sit down on and paddle? Kayaking. I look for one of that. A banana boat. And them kayak there. And them carry there. Carry me and then come over there now. So easy to come over back. Oh. So. Hell nah.
And it's 3 year old with your problems there. It's fun.
I'm gonna ride the jet ski and go on that. So, I asked him about the kayak. Hold on, let me see if I can get that melanin. What they say? If turn away, the risk instead of turn over a lot. Yeah, so probably can just chillax now and look at the area.
Alright.
See if I can carry my phone because this camera is like three expensive to carry out this as we say in the waterproof, so
Yeah.
let's go. So guys, we decided to go on the kayak. Yes sir. Channel need a vest now, Shaku. Oh, this two. $1,000, bro. That you did that. Or get that you did. Get it up, some of them one day. Yes sir ski. But we not get too much wind. I don't know. You guys prefer the jet skis or friggin' kayak? I prefer kayak. I actually wanted to buy a kayak for some Sunday morning and afternoon strolls, but actually I don't know where to find them. So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. I'll go down. I'm gonna go for kayak.
Oh, did I ask you for content? Just show me. Oh, you have a seat?
And you did that like that. Yeah, vest kind of choke me when we go in the water and I like them.
That's when you jump.
Cha. Hey guys. I didn't do it, is it? A mini vacation. This is not a vacation, but it looks like a vacation to certain people, so I work with it like that. Yeah. Guys, they have a very difficult time getting the kayak. Cause like nobody not using none at all. A straight jet ski people I say. Damn son. What's some of that killer man? I know on a kayak what's some of that. My insurance when they go on anything, yeah. What's some of a friend? Not even enemies or just nothing. So go up.
You.
As far as I can go up. Oh. Don't go side here.
Don't go out.
No, don't go up. Yeah. Okay. So don't fight against Mother Nature. This Sirski. Voila. Yeah, yes, sir. So yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. Let me get one of them trending videos where. Hold on, guys. Let me bounce up a little bit. Yes, sir, ski. Channel. Oh. Eh? Why? Just take it there. I don't want a jet ski. I see you later. I don't want no jet ski. I don't know, I'm not moving. Alright guys, give me 10 seconds and I roll out a little bit. I'm not really rush to go nowhere in particular. Me just stay just yes. But at least clearer waters.
Yeah, it's like
And this too shallow for falling alright, you know. So we just you dig. Just there is one hand. Which is merely impossible. Like guys, I don't know, this is my type of vibe, you know, I'm not in that jet ski thing. quick movement thing there, but guys, when I have to give me a look at the mush, me have a GoPro for the strap on for me and just shot it. But this mad. What you notice? Tell me what you notice. We never get we never time bound.
Yeah. Nobody know do this.
Yeah, nobody know do this. They want to just say, oh, that's roll out. No, that's a roll out. You see? When the time bound, so we're going to abuse that. Yo, listen, nobody is allowed to jet ski whilst I'm on this, here? Nobody is allowed to jet ski. Tell them that. Badness with that pretty now. No jet ski. When a jet ski come on dirt, no. Yeah. Badness type of thing, you know. I mean, I foolishness. I mean, I know mood to get wet up, you know. Even though me there sea or beach, I know mood to get wet up. So, straight badness if somebody can wake me up. General, what them do there, so? Because you're a biology person, you know. Ursa kill me. Yeah. Damn, son.
You can't race it between your thighs? Oh no, that now would be
Hold on, guys. I'm gonna fix up this and show it to the back. Because I win ya and the water, I feel like you can do whatever I want to do. But not today. Straighten me out, back. Suppose this is one shock and good look at title and thumbnail. So remember them video there where kayak man them buck up all wheel? Brother, I see one little fish right now, I get frightened. I see one little fish I know. But me sure, I don't even know me the rock. What you? I'll go out a little bit before we start cruising. Say it. Wait, you know what I call it? Jesus, Pete, that's don't turn me over. Jesus. Hold on, no do not. Let's make it simple. The water is very, very clear and shallow.
You're so pretty.
Yeah.
I can see straight down to the seagrass.
Yep.
There's some burn one part of my foot so badly, like, you know, understand? Right to something so hot.
Next time before I come to the place, I'm going to buy me UV protected material. So, yeah.
This rash guard.
I'll tell them man, so far. Yep. Just a vibe, guys. Hope me not talk too much on the vlog here, but just a vibe, you know. You guys should definitely do kayaking more often, because no. Is jet ski more thrill than this? Hell no.
This is chill.
This is thrill. Hell nah.
I don't want to carry back to the sea.
Because our wheels is spinning around. Oh, just make a thing run, man. Oh, me I go back in. You have to carry me back in. Oh, lost at sea and I found a kayak partner. You're lost as well? Wow, that's crazy. Which island? I'm coming from Haiti. Where are you coming from? You look like a Jamaican. Oh, she wanna talk to me, guys. She actually wants to link up. Let's take her to look at time and go over here. Come to me, mamacita. My battery is popular. Come to me, mamacita. Which island are you from? Which island are you from?
Bahamas.
Bahamas?
Yeah.
Damn. Where Bahamas them say? Say more slang. Say more slang. Trini say boy. What wanna say?
What Christian
Gilepa.
Christian all me or Christian says damn.
Christian Adam G. Son, stay far quarantine, but you're mask. You're mask.
See,
No, I know we're not gonna win.
We're not gonna
We're still against us up there again.
It's mama time in my
Rich people shit. Yo, at least you can rock this. It's come like you want top lane.
life. Yep.
God, yo. I'm just chilling, man. Yo, I just hope my skin make it after all of this.
Right now, I want to take your ads.
Right? You want
Sorry, that banana.
I look sick in it. Look sick as. No, man, you are 2 years. Like, dip on that. You know, it just don't want no water touch me. You really want the sun touch me, but that unavoidable.
Look at how my fur glistening. Right there.
Smile. I'm in Jamaica, in fucking Jamaica. Yes, sir. Guys, give me about 20 minutes to enjoy myself, which is another clip for you guys. You're not gonna see me, but me in a real life, me about 20 minutes at least. Enjoy this. Yeah. Alright, guys, we can hit up on jet ski and also road. Channel. Legit. The bunny. Hold on. This is how deep it is.
Yep.
I'll video how far out with it.
We're not all that far out, you know.
Okay.
But there's like a sandbar right there, so behind you. So the whole place is shallow.
Waves. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Guys, I'm look bossy. Look like a rich nigga. Look like a rich kid. I'm look bossy. Hold on, let's see if we can surf it. Yes, sir. Alright, guys, that's it for us being out here. So we still I think of a challenge. Like, I don't know. So that's it for the kayak, guys. Can't manage the murder so now. Honestly. Guys, the sun is not fun by any means. Let me see if I catch my tan. Yes, sir. Let's see if I catch both sides. Catch a look at tan, yes.
The sunscreen was here.
Never know me about this. Can only just surface is hard, but still can sleep.
Wait, let me see myself. Hold up, this is just want to see my tan. Oh, wait, not so bad, not so bad.
Your tan's good.